guys, so it is 9-2 day 2, and I just wanted to show you what you're going to do for today, okay? So when you go into your assignment, there's going to be a Google Sheet over here attached to it on the side, okay? You're going to watch the video that's also here, but I'm making the video so I can't obviously watch it. Anyway, when you click on it, you'll notice my name is already on it, and up here on the side, it actually shows you that your name is there, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to do from page 683, okay? You're going to do either number 9, number 10, or number 8, number 9, or number 10. But I want you to do it right here in this Google Sheets, okay? Now, the really cool thing about Google Sheets is that it will make a scatter plot for you, okay, which is really kind of cool. So what I'm actually going to do is the data from the guided practice that was on page 680. So let me go get that piece of information. Okay, so here's the guided practice. So I'm looking at, I took a screenshot of that table, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to type the table in to my Google Sheets. So I'm going to type in the numbers 0, 10, 20, 30, all the way up to 100, okay? So I go 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Look at that, I'm kind of fast. And then next to it, I'm going to go type in these numbers, okay? Watch what happens. Did you see that? When I typed in 50.0, watch again. See, it changes it to a 50, which is kind of nice. It does that for us. 54.1. Oops, 59.7. Okay, one more. Okay, now that I have my information typed in, so that's what you're going to do. So you're going to go type in either number 8, 9, or 10, okay? So once you have it typed in, you are going to select these two pieces of information. So be really careful that you're not selecting any more or any other rows or columns, that you're only selecting the data that you typed in, okay? And once you get that, you're going to go up here to where it says Insert, and you're going to insert, check this out, a chart. Give it a minute, and there it is, okay? This, however, is not the kind of chart that I want. So I'm just going to move this around so that I can still see my numbers over here that I have. Dun, 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 dun. Where can I put this? Let's make it maybe a little smaller just to get this kind of out of the way. Okay. So this is not the type of chart that I want. So I'm going to go over here to where it says Chart Editor, and I'm actually going to choose the type that I want. So there's a drop-down menu, and I can see what it looks like with all of these other kinds of charts, right? You can see what they all look like. But what kind of chart are we doing? What did we do for the past couple of days? So I'm hoping that you just said scatter plot, but there it is. There's the scatter plot for this. So it's a scatter chart, okay? Now, you can play around with the size, pull it down, smush it up. You can make it wider. You can do all kinds of things. You can change things over here if you want, but you don't have to, okay? What I really want to see you do is type the information in and then get the scatter plot for it. The other thing that we're going to do is we're going to do the line of best fit, okay? So the 2 points that we picked were the points 20, 54.1. So I'm going to just fill those two things. I'm just highlighting them, okay, making them a different color. And then we also use the points 70 and 70.8. So I'm going to do the same thing, just highlight them, make them a different color. And then I'm going to go find my slope. Now, when you type in a formula for slope, you can't just do 70.8 minus 54.1. You have to tell Google Sheets that you want them to actually do the math. And so what you're going to type in instead is you're going to type in an equal sign. So you're telling Google Sheets, hey, I need you to go equal out what I'm about to type in. So I want you to equal out what is 70.8 minus 54.1. Okay, and then it will tell you your answer. And if you click back on it and you look up here in the corner, it tells you what you typed in. So if you make a mistake, it will tell you up here, which is kind of good, okay? All right, so those were my y numbers. Now I need to do my x numbers. So again, I'm going to tell it to equal out what 70 minus 20 is, which is 50. These were my y's, these were my x's, and so remember, we want to do the y's, right? These were the y numbers. These were the x numbers. So we want to do the y divided by x. So again, I'm going to tell it to equal it out. And then I don't want to have to go type in this number. I can just click on it. And I can tell it to divide this one. And see how I clicked on it? K16 is this orange. It's telling me it's in row K, or in column K, row 16. Okay, and then I can just hit enter, and there's my slope, 0.334. And then again, it looks like it went through right here at 0. It looked through at 47.3 or at 48. And so there's my equation, y equals 0.334x, and I'm just typing this in, plus 47.3, or 48. And I'm done. I can highlight it if I want to make it highlighted. You know, yay, there's my equation. Okay? If you need to watch how the formulas work again, just go through, go back in and rewind it. But again, remember you have to hit the equal sign and then tell it what you want to do. You can either click or you can type in 50 if you want to type in 50, that's fine. Okay? All right. Have fun. Oh, I forgot. There's one other thing. So listen, if you want to go highlight it again and put in a different chart, you can. So let's pretend for a minute that this one is not there. Okay. So I've got these highlighted. I'm going to go insert another chart, and I just want to go play around. I just want to see what all there is. So maybe I want to do a bubble. Okay. You can absolutely do another one if you want, just because. It's fun. It's fun. They're fun to look at. They're fun to see the different things that you can make. If you were going to continue in statistics, you would learn how to make all of these as well. And so just have fun with it. Definitely do a scatter plot. This is for sure mandatory. But again, if you want to go do something fun, you can.